What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cat's Coils. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you guys can see in today's title, today is the day that I'm going to be finally counting my locks. I have no idea. Like, when I tell you, I don't even know. I don't even have a clue how many locks I have in my head, because what I've been doing, if you've been following me, I want my locks to be micro locks. So as they're starting to like form into the locks that they're going to be, they're just swelling, and I want them to be much smaller. So the twist right here in the front, these are the ideal size that I wanted them to be all over my head. But if you notice, like if I go further to the back, there are some locks that are just a little bigger, like this one right here. This one is just a little bigger than the ones in the front, just a little. But there were some that were like twice or three times as big. So what I've been doing is I literally have been taking some apart, turning them into 2 or 3. So I don't even know, like for every 50 locks, I'm going to separate them into like a group of 50 and separate them with a scrunchie. Okay, so I'm all set up to go ahead and count my locks. I got my computer here because I'm about to be watching something. I'm gonna watch a TV show or a movie or something because I already know it's gonna take a while. I have a feeling it's gonna be like over 400. I'll be really surprised if it's over 400. All right, so I'm going to count like the first 100 in real time so that you guys see exactly how long it's gonna take me. But yeah, so stay tuned.
Why you running, baby? You know this is your time. And everything I've known right up to this point's no longer on my mind. Because there's something bigger than me. I know. This whole thing's bigger than me. There's something bigger than me. I know. This whole thing's bigger than me. Oh, I know we're a treasure. I know we're a treasure. I've never seen it so clear. Something is happening here. Everything is changing now. I've never seen it so clear. Something is happening here. Everything is changing now.
Okay, so this is 50. This right here is 50. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up.
Everything's different now. There's something bigger than me. I know. There's something bigger than me. This whole thing's bigger than me. Something bigger than me. I know. This whole thing's bigger than me.
Okay, so I have my hair all separated by 50s, and this last section here is, wait, where's the last section? Yeah, this last section here is 33. This last section here is 33. So now I'm about to count how many 50s I have. 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400? I have more than 400. Okay, 450, 483. 483? I have 483 locks. Okay, everyone. So as of November 14th, 2019, I officially have, are y'all ready? 483 locks. I didn't realize I had that many. Well, that's the official count. So technically, based on like the sister lock number, you're supposed to have like more than 400 locks. And if you do, then you officially are like in the sister lock category. So I'm well above that with 483 locks. I can't believe it. Like, what an amazing number. But like, okay, so for those of you who have been watching my videos, I've told you guys that I have alopecia, and this area right over here is like my problem area right now. So right before I started my locks, I had like a spot that like where all my hair came out, and just this one little spot over here. But ever since I've started my locks, the hair in that area has been growing, and it's now long enough to where I was able to start a lock in that area. So I've started a lock in that area, and I've interlocked, and I made sure not to start the lock too soon, like when the hair was still, you know, really, really fresh, really soft. I gave it some time to, you know, to kind of grow out. It's been over a month now, so it's about a month of new growth, which is about 1.5 inches or so. But yeah, so I have 483 locks, and I'm excited. I don't think I'm going to separate anymore at this point, but if I do, then I can just add on, you know, the number that I add on from there. So I'll still be able to keep track of how many locks I have. All right, well, that's all I have for today's video. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and let me know if you have counted your locks, if you're locked. And yeah, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Nowhere to try.